Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to open XML files in QGIS. XML files can contain various types of geographic data, like vector data or metadata. It can seem tricky at first, but it's quite simple. This tutorial will guide you step by step. 1. Understanding XML files. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. It's a way to store and transport data. In GIS, XML files can store vector data such as points, lines, or polygons. They can also hold metadata about datasets. This metadata describes the data and its quality. Other times, XML files are used for configuration. Before opening, identify what kind of geographic data the XML file contains. 2. Opening vector data. If your XML file contains vector data, use the Add Vector Layer tool. Go to the Layer menu. Select Add Layer, then Add Vector Layer. A new window will pop up. Browse to your XML file location. Select the file and click Open. QGIS will try to interpret the XML. If it contains valid geographic data, it will appear as a new layer in your map. It will look like any other vector layer. Sometimes, you need to specify the encoding. Try different encoding options if you encounter errors, like UTF-8 or ISO 8859-1. 3. Opening metadata. Sometimes, an XML file contains metadata, not directly displayable geographic data. You can't add it as a layer. Instead, you'll often find metadata files associated with other data formats. You access this metadata through QGIS's Metadata Viewer. Right-click the layer in the Layers panel. Choose Properties. Navigate to the Metadata tab. If there's an external metadata file linked, QGIS will show its content here. The metadata gives information about the source of the vector or raster data and information on its data quality. For dealing with errors, sometimes, QGIS might struggle to open an XML file. Check for errors in the XML structure. Use an XML validator to check your file. Also ensure that your QGIS version supports the XML structure. Ensure that the XML file contains properly structured geographic data in a format that QGIS can read. XML files can also refer to external schema files. Make sure these files are accessible to QGIS. 5. Opening as text file. If other methods fail, try opening the XML file as a text file. This lets you inspect the contents manually. Go to Layer, then Add Layer, then Add Delimited Text Layer. Browse to your XML file. Specify a custom delimiter. Viewing the raw data may give clues to the underlying format and possible reasons why it won't load properly. That's how to open XML files in QGIS. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and leave a comment. Consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you will see new videos. Your support helps me create more content like this. Thank you and keep exploring.